Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna share to you a tutorial on how to turn off notifications on Netflix. First, of course, you need to open Netflix. Okay, then choose your profile. And here at the Netflix homepage, go to your profile by clicking your profile photo at the top right. This one right here. And here click on the app setting options. Okay, and you'll see a notification menu at the second row, this one. To turn off all of the notification on Netflix on your phone, just click on the circle button beside the allow notification menu until it turns to gray. Click on it. And just like that, your Netflix notification won't turn off anymore on your phone. If you get any question, feel free to drop it in the comment. And if this video is helpful, your like will be very much appreciated. And don't forget to subscribe for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you.